Alright guys, I'm going to run this here for Josh. He's got the Giannis Bradley Center exclusive. We'll type live. We are live. 3:27 p.m. 3:27 p.m. Grab list. Spots. Drop in random 10 entries. Chris on the top and the bottom. Alright, 2 dice, 5 or higher. Random was really slow before, and it seems to be doing it again. Four, that's not enough, so let's roll 2 again. And we have an 8, 8 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is 8. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, Joe Bold. You are the winner. Get in touch with Josh and get Giannis. We are done. 3:28. We will type done. We are done. 3:28. 3:28. Verification code, timestamp.